Objectives of this video is to discuss some smartness in education routes. Traditional education route. Matric or O-level, average age 16 years. Inter or A-levels, average time requirement 2 years, average age 18 years. Bachelor's, average time requirement 4 years, average age 22 years. MBA, average time requirement 2 years, average age 24 years. Smart education route. Matric or O-level, average age 16 years. Foundation in Accountancy, plus 3 papers of Inter, average time requirement 1 year, average age 17 years, done with intermediate. 11 papers and thesis, average time requirement 2 years, average age 19 years, chartered accountancy and bachelor's. 2 papers, online program, average time requirement half a year, average age 19 and a half year, done with MSc.